Ever wondered why you might need a high-performance laptop? Well, ponder no more. Whether you're immersed in the world of gaming, crafting detailed graphic designs, editing intricate videos, or simply juggling multiple tasks at once, a high-performance laptop is essential. A lagging laptop can be a roadblock to productivity. But with a powerhouse like the HP EliteBook 830G5, you're investing in smooth, efficient operations. So, if you're looking for a laptop that can keep up with your fast-paced lifestyle, the HP EliteBook 830G5 might just be your best bet. Now let's delve into the features of the HP EliteBook 830G5 laptop. This high-performing laptop is powered by a 1.7 GHz Intel Core i5-8350U quad-core processor. This powerhouse of a processor ensures smooth performance, whether you're multitasking, streaming, or working on complex tasks. Complementing the processor is an 8GB DDR4 RAM, which makes sure your machine runs smoothly even when you have multiple tabs and applications open. The laptop comes with a 256GB SSD, providing ample space for all your storage needs and ensuring that your system boots up and loads applications swiftly. The machine runs on the reliable and user-friendly Windows 10 Pro operating system, which offers a host of features aimed at enhancing productivity and security. The HP EliteBook 830G5 laptop boasts a 13.3-inch Full HD anti-glare IPS display, which ensures clear, sharp visuals and a comfortable viewing experience, even in brightly lit environments. The integrated Intel UHD Graphics 620 enhances the visual performance, making this laptop ideal for graphic-intensive tasks. In terms of connectivity, the laptop doesn't disappoint either. It comes with a Thunderbolt 3 port, 2 USB 3.0 Type-A ports, and an HDMI 1.4b port. It also features Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 4.2 for wireless connectivity, and a Gigabit Ethernet port for wired connections. Although this product is refurbished, it has been professionally inspected and tested to be fully functional. It's in excellent condition, showing no signs of cosmetic damage visible from 30 centimeters away. With these features, the HP EliteBook 830G5 laptop truly stands out as a high-performance machine. What makes the HP EliteBook 830G5 laptop a cut above the rest? Well, let's dive into it. This high-performance laptop is powered by a 1.7 GHz Intel Core i5 quad-core processor, providing you with the speed and efficiency you need for your most demanding tasks. Coupled with 8 GB of DDR4 RAM, this machine can handle multiple applications simultaneously without breaking a sweat. The EliteBook 830G5 features a 256GB solid-state drive, giving you ample space to store your important files and documents. And let's not forget about the 13.3-inch Full HD anti-glare IPS display, which delivers crisp and vibrant visuals. Despite being refurbished, this laptop is in excellent condition, showing no signs of cosmetic damage visible from 30 centimeters away. Plus, it comes with a minimum of 6 months warranty provided by the seller, giving you peace of mind. So, there you have it. The HP EliteBook 830G5 laptop offers a blend of performance, quality, and reliability that's hard to beat.